Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the Shopify domain error that needs attention. This issue is quite common, especially for those connecting their domain to a Shopify store for the first time. To resolve this problem, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. After that, select Domains. You might notice an alert next to your domain name indicating it needs attention. Click on the domain name to find out the specific reason for the error. For example, you may encounter a message stating that your domain has too many A records, which can cause connection issues. To fix this, access your domain provider's DNS settings where you purchased your domain. If you bought the domain through Shopify and see this error, you may need to wait up to 48 hours for the domain to fully connect to Shopify. Ensure that your domain's A record is pointing to Shopify's IP address as specified. If your domain doesn't point to Shopify correctly, adjust the A record in your DNS settings. If you still receive the error after making these changes, remember that it might take up to 48 hours for the errors to resolve automatically. Once the waiting period is over, your site should be visible to customers, and the error should not impact your Shopify store's functionality. If you have any questions or face specific errors, feel free to leave a comment detailing the issue, and I'll provide a solution promptly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.